Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Nabasemeria kwana mwanchi murigeria kwabere kugutwara uburigeria burubi yakegima nabo igokwegokeria emeroberio a imegetaseni Gensoko nebiro bindekero kiaraire chinsa 10 cyabono mugoroba sinerubire boikirano kwene kibuna ngokoletra ndamangana maya muna abereka gwateka kurwa chinsemo a mwanchi murigeria karibu sana ngumanye amaya chinsa 10 asenchira iyo bwengere terene kerubo Frida nabato kubatera naso kwene kibuna chibi channel yogira gukira sole asenchira ya benenere Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na Boigo Barnabas Ondari. Karibu sana mwanchi murigeria tosanga sobwa mogo chaka bono igagwika omoelio kwechaka maya yebire bigani gotokoya chaka kurwa se county ya Nyamira asengo kumanya bina bosio bobochori bwekiombe yo kwegerera aborokia gya Kupet asoro sagi ya rwa Nyamira obora kolekana chitariki 15 cyumutinyo kabere nigo campaign cya aborokia kigenderete munyekerego Okupet miye county ya Nyamira orabisi hoyore boigo morokia o St Paul Embonga Senior School George Morara Maka ni gagenderere gusaba aborokia kubairania abisi asokwene kya obokoreri obya
Lietaliane George Morara Maka gondo nyakero bwe kombieti yakupe ku Nyamira County yo na beire obisi tam ko era bono wakachukura 15 njebuno munyakero bo novisi na atenenere abobisa bachorwa ngaketwa 2021 na wetera service iyo twanyara ko bole pass yeito 31 ya Union County ya Nyamira ya konyera balimu mono sana simincho ya mangana yo kuraisisha pero tubwate bokongondo bwensi ya raisishira balimu baito be county ya Nyamira kwa iwa sense media yo kurwa tokoroka bari of benevolent fund LBC twa 2021 tuno nyakero na overseer document which was kirito twa balimu baito boikera ase olio umano kuri kibesa akwaewa elbustin na boyi gobuno munyakero na tenera balimu aba na balenteramu bakolera balimu baito be county ngima egasimbia na nonye nakero toko ya international delegates conference na bero yo mogo otebia national office asebule murubule kolengana na lichi kolyo ya education asaba balimu baito serikali etarangaro kobeka obwa mono promotions balimu ba stagnate matuka manga se C3 na bero yo mo basibalia bagotenna koboli na ya serikali mufumo munya barantete ukaria progression ocho lweito wa kuko Nyamira County igobore tariki 15 mutinyo kabere mwaka oyo nteguno munyakero basimincho na kolera balimu gasingia na indenko aboliande banchole bangirani egerengendre ko bakorere gasi engiye kuna
Oscar Busio Moraibense Dr. William Ruto negara umuroberio nyota ime county ya Kisii asabasa ikurasi county ya Kisii Nyamira na Boigo Migori barakonyeke okwana nigo Ruto ayenekia kubwatuka enibo hiyera chegosira abasaya bo sekerenga yokwegenderia
irrespective of the communities they come from. We wanted to make sure that everybody, na hapa tuko na vijana wamesoma form 4, tuko na wengine wamewacha form 3, tuko na wengine wamewacha form 2. wengine standard 8, wengine hata shule hawajaenda, lakini kwa sababu ni vijana wa Kenya wako hapa leo kwa sababu bottom up was a reality we must live in the Republic of Kenya. No young person in Kenya is going to be left behind. Vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! Kama mtu hajapata bahati ya kwenda shule, ama alifika standard 8, ama hakumaliza form 4, ama alimaliza form 4 hana ujuzi na hana kazi, sio makosa yake. Na ndio sababu serikali ya Kenya lazima ipange ajira, ipange biashara ya wale waliopita mtihani na wale hawakupita mtihani pia lazima tuwapangie maisha yao tuweze kusonga mbele pamoja. Tunaelewana jameni? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Na ndio mimi nataka wale vijana wameketi na huko na nyinyi mlioketi na hapa, munisikize kwa makini. Hii mradi ya Nyota, hii program ya Nyota itafikia vijana 820 Kenya.
Omubunge Okiharu Ndindi Nyoro nigaenikire buna serikali na bekorwa chisemi chabusa ase chiskuru amega ye wizara ye chisemi koeneke buna egarama ye chisemi ye secondary nigo yabeire igoro mono.
In Kenya for the RAT program is an average of 35 shillings every day, and we have 185 days that we are in school. All the other days we are on holiday. And therefore, Kenya will only need just around 6,500 shillings additional per annum for all the day schools to be free, including lunch. And we can afford to earn another 3,000 shillings on top of the 6,500 shillings so that the principals can get money to pay the BUM teachers where there are shortfalls and to pay all the other costs that are not captured under capitation. So I'm requesting those who are in government, there are movements that come to a nation that become critical junctures. The critical juncture for Kenya to offer free day secondary school is now, not tomorrow. And I am not pushing this burden to the government entirely. As a member of parliament for Kiharu, I am just saying I am ready for the government to cut our CDF by 30 billion every constituency. And we are going to raise 10 billion Kenya shillings out of that.
Amagorio ni gagendete kuborigwa igoro yobotumikio bobe bwechibesa imeye county ya Embu. Kolengana n'obutuki ni gobworokire buna $1 million ekikyabekire nsemo asokoro sia chibagtori nigo cyatumegete ase okwarigania emerobelio y'emisangirikano ya siasa. Mugabana Siziri Mbarire nigo aitabiranire igoro yobotumiki bwenyibeyo asaba seneta abaruge kurege tindi igoro yobotumiki bobe bwechibesa cyamagendero.
This was the date for borrowing.
That was the date for borrowing?
Yes.
Which was?
May.
21st of May?
May, yes.
So when did you intend to refund it?
We were to refund by the close of the year, the same year, June.
Which should have been captured in this financial statement?
Yes, but unfortunately we were not able.
And what did you use this money for, now that you're disputing the Mandazi analogy?
No, we are saying...
No, what was the money used for?
Month of June, we had what we were calling a Buddha Buddha Summit, where we were launching the Buddha Buddha Circle. And he came and told me, we have no money. The summit was here. And this money we had undertaken to give to the circles. So part of that money went to the circles and therefore should be refunded in this financial year.
Members, between this and the housewarming...
Because there was a delay.
Which one?
Governor, how many exchequer releases have you received since that time? And you don't seem bothered that you need to refund this money.
No, it didn't go to my pocket.
You actually don't have a choice.
Then I have no reason.
Are you not under oath? And you appeared
but people lie under oath, Senator Sifuna.
No.
We've seen people
you
mislead
not,
this house
Chair.
under oath.
So now that the refund has not been done, to give us some commitment to which we can hold you accountable.
Chair, I'm promising you with the release that we have right now, because there's some release that came, we are going to fully refund the 10 million.
Okay. So then members, as we are doing our report and sending
Chair,
our report to the House, will determine what to do with the illegalities.
Chair, also, we realized that it was an illegality, and I want to promise that going forward, that is not going to happen again in Embu County.
Abanyanyimbo hao babeire bakorwo bokoreri asensemo ya Haiti asigika kimetienyi 15 nigo bakoreirwe umuyiga bwo kubarigania nka asensemo ya Embakasi umukonyi bwo kumurikira mangana isiko yechinse cia ngumbu Christopher Landau n'umuwaziri w'uburendi w'eme Kipchumba Murkomen nigo bara umurubire yo nabo igokogokera obokoreri bwabo
of America, here represented by you, Your Excellency Christopher Landau. Thank you very much for your thoughtfulness, for your friendship, and for your commitment to international peace. Your presence here today underscores the deep and long-lasting partnership between Kenya and the United States, which now spans over 6 decades and is anchored on shared democratic values, economic ties, and strong security cooperation, further elevated by Kenya's designation as a major non-NATO ally. We are grateful for the immense logistical and technical support extended by the United States government to Haitian mission. We also highly value the partnership between the United States and the National Police Service in training and equipping our officers, including, as has been mentioned already, by the IG Anti-Terrorism Assistance Program, which have benefited our officers from the General Service Unit, Border Patrol Unit, the Special Operation Group, and other specialized units.
Abarwaneria bibirogo abyobora yase kyombegetenente aborkia bichiskuru cyoboroso na chorosagia Roma Chakos niko bakoriro korobekana asibatebire niko bayetuwe chinga kichinke cyo gukora chi campaign obacholi obo niko borobere go cyo gukorekana litkoria Jumamosi asabarwaneria abo bono igabatebiruna niko bayetuwe oroboti eikia etabuna chi campaign niko chiaire gochaka Jumatatu.
Kwa majina naitwa Alex Mungela Kimetu. I'm Vive Branch Executive Committee member, Machakos Central here in town. I'm requesting all teachers to come in big numbers early in the morning to vote for us. But remember to carry the identity card, kitambulisho, and then you carry with you the current pay slip, because those two are required during election.
Kweli kabisa, walimu wengi hatujawafikia, wanapiga simu kusema tufike katika stesheni zao, na hakika hatutaweza kufika kule. Kwa hivyo si wengi watajitokeza kuja kupiga kura. Pia wanauliza kuhusu jinsi watakavyosafiri, na hayo yote tunaomba ofisi ambayo iko ijibu maswali yale. Pia tunasema ya kwamba sisi ni walimu wa staff room na tuwapingi wakuu wetu kuwa katika union, lakini pia ni vizuri tupatie mwalimu hata nafasi pia awe katika leadership. Walimu wakuu ni wazuri, wametufanyia kazi nzuri, lakini pia mwalimu apate nafasi ya uongozi, so that we also learn from this.
Need to have communication done in good manner. We just got information that the seats were vacant just barely a week ago. Actually, it's a week, and we expected to cover a very large area of campaign. I wish the NAT officials would cascade this information in good time, so that the contestants or the aspirants would really have ample time to run and woo the voters to come and put them in office. Yes, there are many challenges on the way. There are machineries that are being used in the system. There is power and there is also money. But us, as classroom teachers, we are saying we have nothing to offer in terms of monetary. but we have something to offer in terms of service.
Mwanchi muliye gwikiraga abono ngwikira omwelio obukumurikira mangana maya asebire biga kolende tuskatonyegera hikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mangene nyara sinchira yobwikira nunwe koletronere Ishmael Mogere ndagotengeregeta seni Gensoko TV bona boboroso bumugusiekera omugaka Edwin Nyang'au angerete kwerobelia osio bugokoletera omuroberio ongolia amaliko igotoskale yendera gotengera Ensoko TV nenkerubo Frida na balitubatira na soko nekebna chibi channel yogira gwikira sole asenchira ya benenere Brian Achaka Barnabas Sondari na boigo Felistas Kadende.